everyone. So here is my canvas fails and how I succeeded finally. So I just randomly started choosing colors and painting on the canvas. But yeah, I was very unsatisfied with this result. So I applied 2 layers of white gesso on the canvas and again started. This time I had a plan, but again I was not able to execute it properly. So I dropped that plan and instead did this. Thanks for watching. Let me know your views and suggestions in the comment section, and until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Doodles!